Good morning everyone. Welcome to the Philippines. Today, 24 November 2025. Right now, we are in Bayombong, Nueva Vizcaya. Today, I already explored 3 waterfalls. Right now, we are going to explore the 4th one in this area.
Right now, it's 2:25. We are going to Bansing Falls. This is the last place. But before that, we want to eat some food. Let's see how it goes.
It is a beautiful day.
Philippine always surprise. There's another bridge. Wow. This is a little bit more better. Okay. Yeah, that. The water so clear. I'm hoping to take a bath over there. So sooty right now. I want to take a bath in the waterfalls. That should be fantastic. So much of trekking and hiking. If I'm lucky, we can find some canteen over there. We can eat some food. I haven't eat proper food from the morning. It's okay. But I'm happy enough. I'm clearing my goals one by one. Good. Luckily, the sun is coming out in Bampang. We are going to have some lunch over here right now. I don't know. Let's try. Hope so. Have some rice, something. Maybe. Have?
You want kabagan like
Yeah. Nice.
this is adobo.
Yeah. Good. I love it.
But they have also ano
Yeah, chicken, adobo.
short
one?
order like
What?
pansit.
Wow, what is that?
Banana cake.
Banana peel. What?
Turon.
Turon. Okay.
I want pansit.
You want pansit?
Kabagan like that.
Okay. Up to you. I take rice.
Rice.
Mm.
They have.
I'm so hungry. There's a lot of snacks over here. We're going to get it right now. You have a chicken over there. You want this? Okay. You?
Turon.
What do you want? Tron?
Turon, yes, turon.
Okay. How about the girl?
Turon.
It's okay. One more throne there. Okay, three. It's good. Okay. Have a mini bakery shop. It's nice. Look at that. Looks fresh and fantastic. Homemade. Wow. There. Look at that. This is all of us. We are going to have a lunch. Before that, have some snacks first. Okay. Right now, I'm going to try the banana filters. Nice. It's not much sweet, but I like the taste. Ah.
Just onions.
Huh? So you want to mix in the omelette? Sure. Okay. First, I'm going to try the pork and rice. Fantastic. The pork is soft, very nicely cooked. You call chicken manok?
Manok.
Manok. Okay. So
Say titlaok.
I don't think so. You say the right thing. I can't even believe this thing. I think she's teaching me the wrong thing.
After we had a great lunch, we are driving towards to Bansing Barangay Hall. It is approximately 5 km distance from the eatery place, 8 minutes bike ride. In that barangay hall, you need to register yourself before visiting the Bansing Falls.
So apparently you need to pay 20 paisas over there. Before you go register here, then you got to go that side. Another 2 kilometers. I hope I have enough light to play the drone over there. I don't know. 2 kilometers can happen anything. They're climbing too hard. That's elementary school. Wow, looks nice. Wow. Hola. Everywhere we go.
We're going to walk.
How far?
I don't know.
This is bullshit again. See, whatever I'm trying every time, this is what happening. See the road right there. Huh?
We're going to walk.
Even the people haven't even informed anything. It's okay. Fine. We came this far. Let's do it. They're making new road. In that office, they never even told us about this one. So now we need to walk. Everybody preparing to walk. Now we are walking.
Walking again.
So this is never going to stop. In Nueva Vizcaya, I almost walking everywhere. We already get tired. Right now, 3:45. We are walking and walking and walking. Seriously, look, it's getting higher and higher. Going up and down, up and down. We all got tired. We're sitting on the road right now. We don't care. For 2 minutes rest. Look at the situation. This is how it is.
Okay. Okay. Let's find a papaya. Let's go.
Okay. It's getting darker and darker. We need to go faster. Because of the road repair, we need to leave our vehicle 2 kilometers that side. And most of the walking, we are hiking up. Just now, we are descending. So, hopefully, the view worth it. We have to cross the river right now. Look. What's going on over there?
Hi guys. Hi.
It's gonna be a tough time crossing through. I don't know. Wait. We crossed through. Now we are going down here.
Very basic. Right?
Seriously, that's the way down. If you like this video so far, please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. Thank you. Alright, we are here right now in Bansing Falls. Look at my drone. Just came right now. Okay. Right now it's like a 4:45. We are really tired right now. We are going to take a bath at the same time taking drone shot. I'd like to thank you all. Without you guys, I cannot come over here. I'd like to thank you all. Okay? These are the people. Okay. So, that's very important. Very hard hike.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. Can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me.
The water was very cold, but it's very refreshing. Because of our bad luck, we came a little bit late over here. That's the situation. But if you come in the early morning or lunchtime, it's going to be fantastic. Right now, the time 5:02. In Philippines, 5:30, dark already. We had to walk back very long distance. That is also there. Look at the place. It's a beautiful place. I highly recommend for everyone. Look at that. Beautiful. Fantastic. Thank you for watching. Please like and comment below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel would be awesome. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Thank you.